Blizzard is finally trying to fix Hearthstone. For a while now, Hearthstone has been in a downward spiral. A single hero class has dominated the meta for around the year, making the game as stagnant as it has ever felt. Formats other than standard have been severely neglected. Subpar-to-terrible cards have composed the bulk of the recent expansions. Simple quality of life improvements haven't been made, and Blizzard's Team 5, Hearthstone's development team, has either been infuriatingly quiet or frustratingly aloof in their communications. Just 1 month ago, we thought Team 5 would finally be delivering some answers, but it was just another exercise in how many words they can say without saying anything at all. Now, though, with a handful of recent changes and announcements, Team 5 seems poised to actually address every major, fixable, issue with the game. First, Team 5 finally spoke up about and decided to nerf 2 cards that wreaked havoc for 3 and a whopping 7 months, respectively, in both standard and wild format, Small-Time Buccaneer and Spirit Claws. The announced nerfs were well received by the community, a rare occurrence. Shortly after the nerf announcements, Team 5 revealed the theme of the upcoming standard year rotation, the Year of the Mammoth, and this is where it seems Team 5 is finally starting to address Hearthstone's long-standing problems. No card is safe. Despite previously heavily implying that cards from the classic set are safe from rotation, this is no longer the case. Team 5 will rotate certain powerful cards that see play at a frequency they deem too high, in this case, Azure Drake, Sylvanas Windrunner, Ragnaros the Fire Lord, Power Overwhelming, Ice Lance and Conceal. Despite some of these cards being fan favorites, or in Ice Lance's case, the rotation being considered unwarranted, and despite the classic set no longer technically being the safe investment on which to PL,